Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the what is the sorting techniques and the types of sorting techniques and the example of a sorting technique. First, let's start with the sorting. What is a sorting? Sorting is the process of arranging the elements of an array so that you can place either ascending or descending order. For example, first is the ascending order. In array, zeroth index position is small, and last index position is greater. That's called as a ascending order. Then the second is a descending order. In a descending order, the array's zeroth index value is a maximum value, and last index of array's value is a minimum value. That's called as a descending order. Then there are many techniques. In a algorithm. Before starting our topic, so let's see what is an algorithm. Algorithm is a sequence of a set of process that executed by a computer. That takes the input and transforms into your target output. That's called as the algorithm. For example, recipe. In a recipe, if you have a set of instruction for prepare one dish, that's called as a algorithm. Algorithm is used in calculation, then automated reasoning, etc. Then let's talk about what are the types of algorithm in Java. First is a simple recursive algorithm. Second is a dynamic algorithm. Third is a greedy algorithm. Fourth is a automatic algorithm. Fifth is a divide and conquer algorithm. These are the types of algorithm used in the Java. Then before starting our topic, let's see one example of a sorting technique. If you are going to on a Flipkart website, in Flipkart website you choose one product. There is a one feature that's called as a filter. In a filter, there are the various categories like low to high price, high to low price, and so on. That is the example of the sorting algorithm. Then we'll discuss about the what are the types of the sorting algorithm. First is a bubble algorithm. Second is a merge sorting. Third is a selection sorting. Fourth is a insertion sorting. Fifth is a quick sorting, and sixth is a radix sorting. Seventh is a heap sorting, and fifth is a bucket sorting. These are the types of the sorting algorithms. So in this section, we will discuss four types of sorting techniques. First is a bubble sorting technique. Second is a merge sorting technique, and third is a insertion sorting technique, and fourth is a selection sorting technique. So let's start with the bubble sorting technique. In a bubble sorting technique, the number of elements is the number of elements of an array by placing the highest element on a proper position. In a bubble sorting technique, there is a descending order. In a bubble sorting technique, your all data in array, it in the form of the descending order. Then let's talk about the some applications of the bubble sorting technique. First is a bubble sorting technique is used in the education for a student purpose. Second is the real life example. People are standing on a queue with height wise and mannered swap their position among themselves until everyone is standing order. Everyone is standing based on the increasing order of heights. That are the applications of the bubble sorting array. Then let's discuss why bubble sort is called as a bubble sort. Because of that, the number of elements is a greater value than their surrounding areas bubble towards the end of the list. That's called the bubble sorting. Second is the merge sort. Merge sort is a efficient example of algorithm. In a merge sort technique, we use the principle of the divide and conquer algorithm. So in a merge sort and in a merge sort there is a split number of array into two groups. That's called as a merge sorting technique. Merge sorting technique it is used in linked list. Merge sorting technique, it is a stable, which means the same element of a data is maintained in a original position. That's called as a merge sorting technique. Then selection sorting. In a selection sorting, the array is stored at a one time. It means, for example, the card insert one by one. That's called as a sorting. That's called as a insertion sorting. Then the last is a selection sorting. In a selection sorting, it is in a place, and there is no need to extra memory for sorting. Then in a selection sorting techniques, there are the two parts. First is a sorting, and second is a unsorting. Let's start with the starting. Sort. There are the two types. First is sorted, and second is unsorted. The left side of the part is sorted, and right side of the part is unsorted. In a sorted subclass, this part is a empty part, and in an unsorted part there is a array is given by the provider. That is called as the selection sort technique. So in this video we have discussed about the sorting techniques and example of a sorting techniques and applications of sorting techniques, and that's all about the sorting techniques. Thank you.